మనం 100 రూపీస్లో కరెక్ట్ 100 రూపీస్ ఎవరైతే షాప్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి అంటే ఇచ్చేస్తాం అనమాట. రూల్స్ ఏంటంటే 10 మినిట్స్లో ఎవరైతే కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళే విన్నర్స్. కాకపోతే మినిమం 3 ఐటమ్స్ అయినా ఉండాలి. ఒక్కొక్కటి ఫస్ట్ టైం టైం మేర అయితే ఎప్పుడో స్టార్ట్ చేసేసాం, అయిపోయింది. చూద్దాం.
Let's see now what they buy. So now Mahati has bought only the bingo of 10 rupees. Let's see the 10 in a 10 minutes what she will be 50 rupees bingo and what she will buy in a 10 minutes. Let's wait and see. Already it has finished the 1 minute. The everyone has bought the only one item. Let's see, and they were seeing the Haldiram namkeen and it was a very expensive. Let's see what the minimum 3 items should be there for the 10 minutes in 100 rupees. Timer is now 9 minutes 15 seconds and now they are searching for all the things. So all the supermarket is going on and the people crowd everything is going, and now she is doing the stationery shopping. And let's see the stationery items what she will be taking.
Here is the timer update.
Now time update is at 8 minutes 14 seconds and now these two sisters found stuck in the stationery item only. They don't know what they want to be searched. In 100 rupees what should be taken. They were most confused in entire. Came back to the chocolates and all the mangoes, but still it was very confused to be see. They were running and running. They don't know what to buy at all for the 100 rupees. I am taking one Kit Kat. Let's say that it's a cost of 20 rupees. So she is taking a multi Kit Kat chocolate. And buy one get one is there here, but she is not at all buying this. She was not seeing at all. And इसकी मम्मा भी आ गया यहाँ पे, तो देखना चाहिए मम्मा तो हेल्प कर रहे हैं, फिर भी ये तो 3 ही आइटम ले लिया. She is stuck almost for 2 minutes over here in the stationery item. पता नहीं चलेगा क्या ले लेगा. देख रहे हो सारा चीज. अभी तक तो 50 रुपीज ले लिया और बाकी तो 50 रुपीज है. Discussion is going on. Let's see these two boys what they were doing. Let's to go for the boys section. Here it is 6 minutes 44 seconds and they were running and don't know what they will take finally. Let's count how many items you have bought. It is 3. What you have purchased you can show us. What is that? A ginger garlic paste. What you will do with the ginger garlic paste?
We can do any cooking or something.
But it's not your item, right? You can buy the other item like in a chocolates or anything. Okay, fine. Let's see. He was very confused. Let's see what he will take. And she's running and all. and you can see all over the floor is there. But नहीं,
Please,
you can
Ilham,
take, you can take it, you can take it. Now all these are came one place and discussing going on. पता नहीं वहाँ क्यों? And now time is 5 minutes for 39. She is checking the chocolates. All it might be its favorite for the pretty, but she is not taking at all. She is very confused and getting bahitas. Is he running on? Mahati, what you are doing here? Mahati stationery item में क्या कर रहे हो आप तो? इतनी देर तो यहाँ पे तो 3 मिनट लग गया, आप तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे, टाइम तो हो रही है, फिर क्या ले लेगा आप तो पता नहीं। जल्दी ले लो, आपकी चैलेंज हो जाएगा। So this is about the Mahati, and she is taking all things and taking her mother help. Let's see what she will be taking now. Finally. So let's move to the other two. See the two people, they were our guests also. Let's see what they will purchase. These are guests of our home. Time is only 3 minutes 38 seconds. Let's see in 3 minutes what they will do. Here they will checking the prices and कैसे हुआ था, इसको तो लग गया पता नहीं, ये तो जोर से
Challenge is over.
he by the done the challenge.
More than 3 items.
But she has taken only the 3 item. Okay, no worry, it's a 3
100 rupees.
3 or 3
items.
He is very confused, running here and there. How many items he has taken? The 2 items, 2 ice cream, more 1 soft drink, and let's see what he will be taking. Oh, Mahati, it's now 3 minutes. 2 minutes 37 seconds, Mahati. You have wasted here completely 5 minutes almost. So successfully, Mahati has wasted the one place only 5 minutes. But she has purchased 2 items that is related to the stationery. It's a very good, useful item for the after school starting. So no worry, no problem. It will be helpful for her in if she वो जीतेगा तो उसको तो see, you can see a small kid, he's taking all things. His mama is saying no, don't take all these, but the kids will not listen, right? So very naughty. So he taken 1 item and he's asking on 1 more. You can see this is fun thing over, and you can see the timer 1 minute 42 seconds. And now she has taken something. I'm checking the price. These are the what is this? Glitters.
Glitter glue.
And it is the price of 149. Almost the 4 colors are there. So it's very useful. But it is a budget is only 149. But it is not into the challenge budget. That's the reason they were not taking at all. You can see now Mahati is searching for the sketches. It is only 30 rupees. She has taken only 30 rupees of the sketches. It's a very good one. Very good one. कहाँ गया था? चोकोस, ये तो एक्सपेंसिव है, आप कैसे ले लेगा? ये तो 100 रुपए में आएगा नहीं, आप जीतेगा नहीं। आप जाओ और देखो और देखो और देखो। Only 45 seconds. 45 seconds, 43, 42. And it's the present now running is happened. And they were running like anything. And let's see what they will take. It's only 31 seconds. Now in 31 seconds, what you'll take? Let's go. He has taken 32. Now let's see what is the Timer. Let's
Timer
see.
is
So
15
seconds.
seconds.
14. It's going on 12. And let's
Second
everyone
and
finish your
let's-
time. They have done the challenge. Let's see. They have came to the one place, and now these are the items. Wait 1 second. And we can count the items. So these two has basket. One basket. They have need to be achieve the 200 target. It should not be the above 200. So let's count this one first.
Okay.
So what is the price? Show the price of the Pepsi. And what is the ice cream price? You can see.
This ice cream price is of 35.
It is.
Okay,
And this
next.
ice cream is
35.
35. So 35 plus 35
is 70.
70. And next.
The Scampa prices of 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Then 70 plus 20 is 90 rupees. And then this price is 40 rupees. So whole becomes
130.
130 rupees.
So finally they have done the 130 more less than the 200.
70.
No worries, we can take this price and you can keep in your basket. Let's see who will be achieve more than 100. Then we can cancel that one and we can take the other things.
Now let us count the Bahitas.
Bahitas is?
This Kinder Joy is of 50 rupees.
This is 50.
This is 50 rupees. 50.
Exactly 100
Exactly
rupees.
100
You can clap
rupees.
for the Bahita,
Bahita.
but the
But
item should be
about three items.
So she has missed the thing. Let's see the another one, but you have achieved your thing. And you can go on yours.
Let us
So
count
Mahati's one. Let's count the Mahati's one.
Same
has
she
taken
has.
the wafer of the strawberry flavor.
It's of
and
50
it is 50 rupees. And she has spent a loaded time in the stationery. Let's see what she has taken in the stationery.
30 rupees.
All things, the
So
sketches.
50
It's very useful and it is a 30 rupees of the couch.
50 plus
Then
50 plus 30 is 80.
80
And then
one more thing she has taken, it is the color
45.
papers. It is 45. So very sad, you have crossed the 100 rupees, but no worries, you also win. But you have taken a very good thing. I don't know. You and me. So finally the winner is these two people. Their target is to be at 200, but they have achieved only 140, right?
130.
130. It's very well done. In a low budget, they have taken all the things. Clap for them. Very good. No way. Say the congratulations to the Vivansh.
Congratulations, Vivansh and Nihal.
जीत गया अब तो. Wow.
So, bye guys. We are ending this video by this channel. So, bye.
Bye.
See you next video.
We will catch in the next video. Until then, subscribe our channel and
Channel,
watch
like,
our
share,
videos and more.
subscribe. See you next
Till
video.
bye
Bye.
bye.